Here I would like to introduce you a useful piece of equipment called Russian sampler INSTORF. It is easy to operate because of these pins. You connect every following extension by a pin. With pins you connect the handle. Very easy and practical. And ta-ta! Here you have already your 2 meters. Every set has 10 extensions and 2 samplers. One sampler for survey and the other for sampling. Let's start with the first one. You start with your open sampler, push it down into the peat at the sampler's length, close it by turning it anti-clockwise and pull it out. This way you make a preliminary check of your peat to plan better your sampling. You clean your core carefully, usually with a cloth or wooden stick, not your finger as I do. You continue to your 50 centimeters mark in the same hole with your closed sampler. Then you open your sampler by turning it clockwise, push it down to 1 meter, close it by turning anti-clockwise and pull it out. We see less decomposed peat here. Larger sampler has a rounded section and supports well the core shape. When the peat is not liquid, you get your core and take slices of peat with a known volume. For sampling, you start again with an open core. Push it to 50 centimeters. This time you close it by turning it clockwise, different than testing core. Now pull it out, open it, keeping it horizontally. Here is your core. You can take your samples. Do not forget to use the ruler, that you know the depth of every sample. Remember to carry around with spare pins. That is the weakest point of this instrument, lost pins. And keep your equipment clean. Hopefully it is always water